Hello, my name is Rahil Rahman and this is your channel Dame Don't Ask My Education. In this video I am gonna tell you that how to repair your water pump. This is also called donkey pump. But before I tell you something about this, I want to show something from this motor. This is V belt and this is pulley and this is flywheel. Have a look. This is flywheel and this is mid point of this motor. This is shaft seal of pump and this is also seal, but there is oil behind it. And this is also a oil seal that is leaked. You can see here this is leaked, and we will open it through this bolts, and the flywheel also will get out. The main thing that I want to repair is this one. This is pump and I want to repair because the pressure of water is not good and the motor is not giving good pressure. So this may probably because of valves that I want to replace. I'll open this union. I'll detach the suction and discharge pipes from the pump so that we will be able to open the pump that we need to repair. It is hard because of a lot of suction, so I'll twist it a bit and then okay, I got it. This is the pump and you can see that these are studs that we need to open. And these are nuts. You can see these are nuts. We need to open it. Actually, this is a section where you can see the piston to build pressure, and these are two studs to open this bore. This is center plate, it is fiber plate, and these two are rubber seals. These seals make ensure that no water pressure come out or any suction come in or out. I'll use wrench of 15 and 14 number. This will best suit for this kind of nuts, and I'll try to open it, and then I'll show you the valves inside this pump. I have loosened all the nuts, and you can see that these nuts are now out, and I'll bring it out and will open the head. All the studs are now out, and you can see the fiber plate in my hand, and I am fixing the valve in that plate. There was some problems in the valve, so that's why I change it, and there is a quarter pin that I used in that valve. You know why this happened? This is because of a rust inside this pump, because it is in water and the quarter pin is made of iron, so that's why it is the problem. I have fixed it I'll place this fiber blade on its place. So we need to see that the design must match with the bottom upper pump. So that's why I am seeing the design. The design is different, upper design and lower design, as you can see here. Now it's on its place, and it's time to put the head on the pump. So I am doing it. You need to fix the pump on suitable place. Be careful while you are fixing it, because after placing it you will have to tighten it with the lower pump. So be careful, and don't move it after place it, because if you move it, then the rubber seal will not place on right place. It will not be in right place, and the result will be in leakage, and we want to work perfect. So that's why be slowly. You will have to follow up how I tied the stud, because these are 4 studs. So we need to see that how we tied it. You will not tie it in series. Just follow me and see how I tied these studs. We don't want any leakage. So have a look how I tied it. Now after fixing all the studs, it's time to rejoin the suction and discharge lines. So I am joining the discharge first and then suction, but I will not join the suction line right now, because we will have to put some water inside that pump, so that the pressure will be built because of water, because water will fetch water from other side. If there is air, not water, in the pump, then the pump will not work properly. So I am going to pour some water inside the pipe, and then we'll try after switching. Now I am trying to fetch water from government line, but there isn't any water inside government line. So I will do some other trick to check the pump. I'll pour water inside this bucket and will insert the suction line in this bucket, so that we will see that how this pump is working. Is it working properly and giving good pressure of water, or otherwise? So have a look. Let's see what happened. Now you can see that the suction pipe is inside the bucket, and have a look on the water pressure. Now I change it again, and you can see the pressure has gone. Please subscribe this channel if you like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.